The Blue Diamond Excavator drum mulcher is one of the fastest ways to tear down a forest. Turn trees to wood chips in minutes using our durable drum mulcher built with high-strength steel. Our wide range of drum mulchers can accommodate many different excavators. We offer models to suit machines from 4 to 20 metric tons and have a variety of motors to maximize any flow between 9 and 50 gallons per minute. Thanks to our unique bolt-on design, you can easily swap the mounting coupler to capitalize your fleet's potential. No job is too big or small with cutting widths from 30 to 50 inches. All our drum rotors have fixed teeth set in helical position with P-cut depth limiters. Choose the reversible carbide teeth option for maximum tooth lifespan when working in rocky areas. And with centralized grease points and hydraulic quick couplers, you can trust that routine maintenance is straightforward and easy. All drum mulchers come with chain curtains to keep material flowing and shield the operator from thrown debris. Our heavy-duty and extreme-duty models come with 1 and 2 rows of chains each, while the severe duty comes with 4 chain curtain rows and rubber side shields for extra protection. Destructive and durable, the Blue Diamond Excavator drum mulcher. Check out our full line of forestry attachments at bluediamondattachments.com.